Hi guys, and welcome back to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. I'm Ivo, and today we will learn how to update Forge and how you can apply a new license for Forge. Let's begin. So first of all, I have my Forge up and running with a bunch of different configurations, but I want to update it to new version, and I received the download link. So I will head to the download link. And here in the download page, I will select the same operating system that I'm running my Forge currently. So I will select the Windows version. I download it from this link. After the download is completed, you can open the installer. And this time the installer will prompt whether you want to update or install Forge to a different directory. I will select the update option, and then I follow these steps from the installation wizard. It will prompt whether I allow to uninstall the previous version. I will accept that. And during this time, Forge will be shut down for the installation process. Now the installation is completed. I can click finish. And then what I need to do is to restart Forge from the services app. So I will press start, and then I can close this. And then I will wait for Forge to get back up and running. And there we have it. Forge is back running again, and we have all our configurations intact, and we are ready to continue our work with Forge. Next, I will show you how to update your license from the UI. So I will navigate to the advanced menu and I click the license. Here you can see all the details, and you can check your license key by clicking this button. Now I will click the load license and it will open my file systems. I select the new license. Forge will ask whether I want to replace the current license with the new one. I confirm that. And finally, if the process was successful, Forge will prompt this restart question. So I will confirm that, and my Forge will do a quick restart. And then Forge will get back running again, and you can check the license from this license dialog again. Next, I will show you quickly where you can find all the Forge's data files. So in your file systems in Windows, go to the C drive, open the program data, and then search for Prosys OPC, and there you will have Forge folder. Underneath Forge, you will find a folder for log. So here is the latest log and the archive folders. If you need to update your license manually, you can replace the license.lic file with the new license and restart Forge. Make sure to name the new file also license.lic. That's all for today. Check out the related blog post for more details. In the next episode, we will explore Forge's role-based user management, including how to define users and roles with different permissions. We will also cover integrating Forge's authentication with LDAP for seamless access control. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.